So in this class, we are going. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the single linked list. So while representing using a representation for a queue and a stack. So single linked list means what? The name itself says single linked list, single link. Single link means what? It has only one link, but it has only one address field. It holds the address of the next node. So when it comes to this next topic, that is a doubly linked list. So doubly linked list means what? The name itself says doubly linked means what? It has two links. So it means that what? It has two address fields. So one field is called as left link, other field is called as right link. So left link holds the address of previous node, and the right link holds the address of the next node. Let us see. It has three fields. So it has the first one as leftmost. It is a left link. It holds the address of what? Previous node. And the middle one is what? It is called as data field. It holds the data. And third one is the extreme right one. It is nothing but your right link. It holds the address of what? Next node. So this is what? The three fields in this doubly linked list. One is the left link, holds the address of previous node. Middle one is the data field, holds the data. And the next one is what? Right field. It holds the address of what? Next node. Let us discuss we'll write the class for this doubly linked list. No. So each node, I taken a template T. It can hold the data of any type, any data type. It can be of integer, character, or a float, or anything. So that's what we taken template variable as T. So I taken a node as what? D chain node. So I taken a class name D chain node. So it has a left link. I have taken as a pointer. I have taken as a what? Pointer. So pointer left. It holds the address of what? Previous node is of type again D chain node. The node is of type again what? D chain node. And middle one is what? Data field. The data is taken as what? Element here. So it's of type T. It can be of integer, character, or a float, or anything. That's what we have mentioned as what? T is of type template variable. And the third one is what? I have taken as what? One more pointer, that is a right. So it holds address of what? Okay, next node is of type again, that is D chain node. Yes, let us discuss what is a chain. Chain means what? In the previous slide we have discussed what is a node. What is meant by chain? It's a collection of nodes which are interconnected. So it's a collection of nodes. Let us take the example. I have taken one example as what? List, that is A, B, C, D. So each node required, each element required one node. Look at this. I have taken 4 elements in this list. So each node having, each element is having separately one node. So I've taken this node A. I'm placing the address in the data field of what? First node with the address as what? 111. In this node A, the left link is what? Null. And the right link is what? 222. What is this 222? It's the address of what? Next node. What is the next node? B node. What is the address of B node? That is 222. And I have taken one pointer for this first node to keep track of your chain. That will be always pointing to what? Your first node. So I have taken a second element, that is B from the list. So again we allocate a memory for second node, placing a B data in data field. Its left link is what? 111. That is what? It holds the address of previous node. Previous node, which is a previous node? That is node A is the previous node. The address is what? 111. So the reverse link is established. And so the node B's right field is what? 333. It means that what? It holds the address of next node, that is a C node, with the address 333. Now forward link is established. So similarly, I have taken a element from the list, that is the third element. Again, we allocate a memory for one node. Okay, that is a doubly linked list node. So placing a data in C data in data field. And the left link is what? 222. It's the address of what? B node. That's what? Reverse link is established. Similarly, the right link of the C node is what? 444. It means that it holds the address of what? Next node, that is a D node. Right? Now forward link is established between C and D. Next, we'll take one more last element from this list, that is D. So allocate a memory for last node, placing a data D in what? Data field. And left link is what? It holds the address of previous node. What is the previous node address? That is the C node address is what? 333. So 333 is placed in what? The left link of what? D node. And what's the right link? It is null. It means that what? That is the last node, that is the last element in the list. So this will be the D will be the last node of this chain. So it would have any next node. That's what? It is null. That says it has no next node. So this is how we can represent the chain, or we can represent the list using chain. Doubly linked list. No. So I can say chain is what? It's a collection of nodes. Next. We'll see some operations on this chain. Yes, if you want to perform any operations on the node, first we have to traverse the node, not visit the node. So how to traverse a node? Traverse a node means what? Nodes in a chain means what? Traverse a nodes in chain means what? Visiting a node at once. Visiting a node at once in a chain. So whereas in the case of singly linked list, I can traverse in only one direction, but in the case of doubly linked list, I can traverse in both the direction. One is forward direction, look at the forward arrow mark, other one is reverse direction. So let us see how to traverse in forward direction. So let us take one temporary pointer, that is 10, because I have to fix this first node should be at the A node. It represents the chain, beginning node of the chain. Let us take the temporary pointer is of type D chain node. What is the first node address? 111. That is copied to what? Temp node. Now, is temp node is what? Temp pointer is what? Pointing to first node, that is A node. Next, I will go with one while loop. While temp is not equal to 0, not equal to null. Is the temp is not equal to null? Yes. What is the temp value? It is 111. Temp value is not equal to null. Yes, if so, I can traverse temp equals to temp of right. What is temp? Temp is pointing to node A. The temp of right is what? 222. Nothing but address of B node. So the previous value of temp value will be overwritten with what? Temp of right, that is 222. So the temp is what? 222. Now it is pointing to what? B node. Again, this value repeats. Again, temp is not equal to null. Yes, not equal to null, because the temp value is what? 222. So temp equals to temp of right. What is the temp? Pointing to B node. Temp of right is what? 333. So temp value becomes what? 333. Temp equals to temp of right. Again, it checks value. While temp is not equal to null, yes, temp value is what? 333. It is pointing somewhere. Yes, that is C node. So temp equals to temp of right. Temp equals to temp of right is what? 444. Temp becomes what? 444. It is pointing to what? Last node. Is it not equal to null? Yes, temp value is not equal to null. Then temp equals to temp of right. Temp of right is what? Temp of right is what? Null. So again it checks. Once temp becomes null, it checks the while. What it becomes? It will exit from the while. This is how we can traverse the nodes in a doubly linked list chain. So in a forward direction. So this is a simple code. So as I said, I can traverse the nodes in a chain in forward direction as well as in reverse direction. So we have discussed about how to traverse in a forward direction. Let us see how to traverse in reverse direction. So if you want to traverse the nodes in the chain in a reverse direction means what? I have to start from what? Node D to node A. So if you want to take a pointer to the node A, first I should traverse in what? Forward direction. Take one pointer, traverse up to D node, then traverse in reverse. Yes, let us go with the temporary pointer. I take one temporary pointer. Temporary pointer is of type what? D chain node. It holds the address of what? First node. The first node is what? 111. Now temp is pointing to what? A node. Yes. Temp equals to, so we'll go for traverse in forward direction up to last node. Look at this, up to last node. In the previous case, if you use traversing forward direction, it was exiting from the last node. But my pointer should be fixed to what? Last node, that is what? D node. While temp of right, look at this value, temp of right. In the previous case, I taken temp is not equal to null. If that is the case, this pointer will exit from this chain. So in this case, while temp of right is not equal to null, temp of right is what? Where the temp is pointing, that is first node of this chain. Temp of right is what? That is 222. So it means that temp of right is not equal to null. Temp of right is what? 222. So it means that temp equals to temp of right. Temp of right is what? 222. Temp becomes 22. It means that it is pointing to what? B node. Again, temp of right is what? Where is the temp? It is pointing to what? B node. Again, needs to go for value. Temp of right, is it not equal to null? Temp of, where is the temp? Pointing to B node. Temp of right is what? 333. Temp of right is not equal to null. Yes, temp of right is not equal to null. If so, temp equals to temp of right. It becomes 333. Now it is temp is pointing to what? C node. Again, it checks the condition on the value. Temp of right is not equal to null. Temp of right. What the right field of C node is what? 444. Temp of right is again not equal to null. So if so, temp equals to temp of right. It is going to what? Last node. Again, it checks. Temp of right is what? Here is null. It means that what? No need to go for next node, that is temp of right. This statement won't execute because the temp of right is what? Null. The condition exit. Now temp is fixed to what? D node. Now we can traverse in reverse direction. In this case, what we do? Temp is not equal to null. Yes. What is the temp? What is the temp? Temp value is 444. Temp is not equal to null. Yes, temp is not equal to null. Temp equals to temp of left. What is temp of left? That is 333. That is address of what? Previous node. Now it is pointing where? It is C node. Again, check the condition. Temp is not equal to null. Yes, temp is not equal to null. Next, what we do? What is the temp address here? 333. So it is not equal to null. So temp equals to temp of left. What is temp of left here? 222. It is the address of B node. So now it jumps to what? B node. Again, it checks the condition. Still, it is in while loop. So second while loop. So why temp is not equal to null? Yes, temp is not equal to null. What is the address of temp? 222. So temp equals to temp of left. What is temp of left? It is 111. Now it is pointing where? First node. Again, is temp is not equal to null because the temp value is how much? 111. Temp equals to temp of left. What is temp of left? Null. So it becomes what? To exit from the A node. I mean, no way this temp pointer is pointing in the chain. So this is how we can traverse in reverse direction. Next, how to insert a node. So I have three cases inserting a node into this doubly linked list chain. So one is insert at the beginning of the chain. Other one is inserting a node at the end of the chain, and insert between two nodes. Let us take this example. So I have a list BCD. So I'm going to represent this using chain, using doubly linked list node. So this is my first node, B is my first node. So I want to insert a node at the beginning of a chain. So take this, which element you have to insert? I have to insert element A. So look at this, this should be null here. The B's left field is what? This should be null. So it is missed over there. Yes, let us take what, let us allocate one memory, a memory for one node, new node. We have taken pointer object is of type D chain node, allocating using new operator, nothing but we are allocating at runtime, nothing but we are doing dynamic memory allocation. So both the type is matching is of type D chain node. So next what we do, I'm going to place the data A into the data field of this new node of element. Element is what? Middle field, nothing but data field. That is A is placed in the data field. Next, what should be left link? Left link should be null because this will be a first node, right? So new node of left, the new node, this is my new node. New node of left is what? Null. So that's what we have done it here. So once we create a node, we have placed the data in data field, that is a node A, and we have filled the left link is what? Null. Then we can establish a link between A and B. So how to establish link? That's what? new node of right, the new node of right field is what? Is equals to first node. What is the first node address? 222. That is what forward link is established. How to establish reverse link? That is new, okay, new node of, sorry, first node of left field should be equals to new node. First node of left field should be equals to null. That's what the link is established. Now, which is my first node? Yeah, A is my first node. I take this first node pointer to what? A node. Now, first node is equals to new node. This is how we can insert a node at the beginning of the chain. How to insert a node at the end of a chain? So after insertion, you have to increment the size. Previously, the node chain size was 3. Now it becomes 4. Yes. Now, how to insert a node at the end of a chain? Yes, I take this example ABCD. Sorry, ABC. The list is ABC. I can represent this ABC using chain. The right link of this C is what? Null, because this will be the last node in this chain. Yes, how to insert? Yes, before inserting a node in this at the end of a chain, okay, first we should have a pointer for this node C. How to take a pointer? So I should have a pointer. I cannot have a pointer directly to the C. What we do? We should traverse from A node and fix it to what? C node. So I'll take one temporary pointer. That is what same thing what we discussed previously is a chain node. It was address of first node. I just do traversing forward direction. While temp of right is not equal to null. Why you are using a temp of right? I have to fix this temp pointer to what? C node. That is what last node. Temp of right is not equal to null. What is the temp of right? Temp of right field of what? A node. That is 2 2. Not equal to null. Temp equals to temp of right. Temp of right is what? 2 2 2. Temp value is overwritten as what? 2 2. Yes, it is pointing to what? Second node, that is B node. Again, temp of right. What is the temp of right? Temp is pointing to what? B node. So B node's right field is what? 333. That's what temp of right is 333. Not equal to null. If so, temp equals to temp of right. Temp of right will be what? 333. Now temp becomes 333. Now it is pointing to a C node. Now again checking temp of right, it will be null. The right field of this C node is what? Actually, it is null. So temp of right, it is equal to null. It will exit from the while loop. If so, now allocate a memory for new node at the end of a chain. So I'm going to allocate a memory for new node. So that is new node with address as 444. That is D chain node star new node is equals to new D chain node. We are allocating at runtime nothing but it is called as dynamic memory allocation. So I do the right field of this new node is what? Null, because this will be the last node in this chain. Next, I'm going to place this data into the data field. Which node you are inserting? That is a D node you are inserting at the end of a chain. So placing data in the data field, that is new node of element is what? Data field, that is D. Next, once you done all this, you have to establish link between C and D. So first forward link, next reverse link, so vice versa. So first new node of left field. The new node of left is what? It is 333 is equals to, sorry, new node of left is what? Equals to temp. What is the address of temp? It is 333. New node of left is what? 333. The reverse link is established from D to C. Next, establish a forward link from C to D. That is temp of right is what? Temp of right should be equals to new node. Temp of right should be equals to new node. Right? Next, after insertion, so the size will be incremented. So this is how we can insert the node at the end of a chain. Next, how to insert a node between a nodes. Yes, let us take this. So I want to insert a node between B and C. So the node is what? D. I have to insert D node between B and C. Yes. First, what we do? Yes. In order to insert node between a B and C, I should have a pointer for B as well as D. So how to have a pointer for B? I should traverse from the beginning of the chain. How to traverse? I take one temporary pointer. Temporary pointer. It holds address of what? First node. Yes, it is holding the address of what? First node. I want to fix this temp to what? B node. So I take an index as what? 2. Nothing but I have to place the new node with the index 2. So here the index is what? 2. In place of C, I should insert node D. Now the node C index becomes what? 3. Yes. So what we do, I equals 0, I less than index minus of 1. Here I taken as what? Index as 2. So whatever the node you insert in this chain, the index should be 2. So first in A index is what? 0, B index is what? 1. If I insert new node, that no new node address, okay, index should be 2. But here is what? Index of C node is what? 2. In place of C, I have to keep the D node. I hope you're clear. Yes, I equals 0, I less than, what is the index? 2. 2 minus of 1 is what? 1. Yes, I is less than 1. So temp equals to temp of right. Temp equals to temp of right. So what is the temp of right? 2, 2, 2. Now it is fixed. Now, what is the index? 2. So I becomes what? 1. I getting incremented, I becomes 1. Is it 1 less than 1? The condition false. It means that what? Temp is fixed to what? B node. Temp is fixed to what? B node. Now, is the temp of right? So temp is fixed to what? B node. Now this for loop ends. Why? Because the I getting incremented, I becomes 1. So 1 is less than 1. The condition false. What we do? Next, I take one pointer, separate pointer, that is SP. SP. That is, I'm going to create the pointer object. SP is of type D chain node is equals to temp of right. What is the temp? Where is the temp? Temp is pointing to B node. What is the temp of right? 333. Now SP is copied to what? Yes, okay, 3 is copied to what? SP. Now I have a pointer for what? C node. Now we will allocate a memory for new node. So that is we are allocating a memory for new node. That is what? Dynamic memory allocation using new operator. So once it is done, so I have to place data in data field. Okay, what is the data? That is D. We're going to place in what? Data field. That is new node of element is what? D. D is placed in data field. Next, establish link between B to D, D to C. Next, temp of right is equals to new node. Where is the temp? Temp of right is actually here is what? 333. But it should be temp of right is equals to new node. What is the new node address? 444. Now forward link is removed. Now it is done. The link is established between B and D by breaking the link of B and C. Now the forward link is established from B to D. Next, reverse link. That is new node of left should be equals to temp. New node of left is equals to temp. The reverse link is established between B and D. Now the connection between B and D is done. Next you have to do connection between D and C. So how to do? It's new node of right. What is the new node of right field? So is equals to SP. What is the SP value? 333. Now forward link is done from D to C. So establish reverse link. So actually reverse link is what? It is pointing to what? B node. So how to establish reverse link? The SP of left link should be equals to new node. SP of left link should be equals to new node. Right? So this is how. Now what is the index for D node? 0, 1, 2. The index for D node is what? 2. The index for C node is what? It becomes 3. Then after that, increment the size. This is how we can insert a node at the beginning, between a node. So we are done with 3 cases: how to insert a node at the beginning, how to insert a node at the end of the chain, and how to insert a node between 2 nodes. Next, deletion. Again, same case: how to delete a front node, how to delete a last node, and how to delete a node between a node. Right? So let us take this example. So I have a list A, B, C, D, and I have a chain for this. So I want to delete a node. Which node I have to delete? First node I have to delete. So which is the first node here? A node. So once I delete the first node, which is my first pointer, where is my first pointer? First node pointer. Which is my first node? B will be the first node. If I delete the node A, my node B will be what? The first node. Yes, let us take one pointer, temporary pointer. It holds the address of what? A node. So once we delete this A node, so B node will be our first node. That's what? First node is equals to first node of right. What is the first node of right? It becomes 2, 2, 2. That's what? First node becomes 2, 2, 2. Yes, I hope you're clear. Now I can delete easily the A node. That is what? Use the delete operator. Delete temp. So once I use the delete temp, it will be deleted. Next, what should be the left link of this B node? It should be null. That's what? First node of left is what? Null. That is the first node of left is what? Null. Look at this. This is how we can delete a node from the beginning. After that, so we're going to decrease the size of a chain. That is what size minus minus. So previously size was 4, it becomes 3. Next case, how to delete last node. So how to delete last node, which is the last node here, D node. So how to delete a last node? So what we should do? I should traverse first. Yes, I should traverse up to what? C node. If I want to delete D node, I should traverse up to C node. How to traverse up to C node? That is what? D chain node. Okay, D chain node, temporary pointer I taken. That is pointing to what? First node. Okay, while temp of right of right. Temp of right is what? 2, 2, 2. Okay, that is what next node. Right, okay, this right of right is what? 3, 3, 3, that is C node. It is not equal to null, right? 3, 3, 3 is not equal to null. So, it means that temp equals to temp of right. Again, comes to value. Temp of right is what? That is what temp of right is what? 3, 3, 3. This, that is C node. C node of right is what? 4, 4, 4. That is not equal to null. Again, temp equals to temp of right. Again, temp of right is what? 4, 4, 4. That is a D node. This node of right is, that's what the second line. This node of right is what? Null. So I have to exit from the while. Okay. Next, what we do? I take one separate pointer, delete node. Delete node is pointing to what? Is of, okay, pointing to what node is of type D chain node. It holds the address as what? Temp of right. What is the temp of right? 444. Nothing but it's the last node address. Nothing but D node address. So I can delete easily the D node. How to delete? Delete using a delete operator. Delete node. That is I delete. So once I delete, what is the right link of this C node? It should be null. That is what temp of right is equals to null. So after okay indicating the temp of right is equals to null. So we are deleted the last node. Now this is my chain. So what is the size of the chain? So it has 3 nodes. This is how we can delete a node from end of a chain. Next, how to delete node in between. So again, I take an index 2. So this is my chain. I want to delete the node with the index 2. What is the index 2? I have to delete C node. So how to delete C node? To delete C node, I should have a point of a C node. Then I should have a point of a B node. Then I should have a point of a D node. Right? Once I delete this one, I have to establish link between B and D. For that, again I have to traverse from the beginning. Take a temporary pointer. So what are the index? 2. Use a for loop. I equals 0. I less than the index minus 1. I plus plus plus. Is what are the index? 1. What are the index you taken? 2. 2 minus of 1 is how much? 1. So 0 is less than 1. So temp equals to temp of right. What is temp of right? That is B node. Next, I increment, I becomes 1. Is 1 is less than 1? No. Condition false. Next, what we do? I take one separate pointer, that is delete node. Delete node separate pointer. Okay, where it is pointing? C node is of type D chain node. Where, okay, how it is holding the address? By taking temp of right. What is the temp of right? 333. So delete node becomes what? 333. Yes. Then I should have a point of a D node. For that, I take one more pointer called as last node. It is pointing to what? Last node of this chain. How it is getting the address? Delete node of right. What is the delete node of right? 444. That is what? Last node value becomes what? Delete node of right equals to 444. I have a pointer for what? D node. Now I can delete C node using delete operator. So I use the delete operator, delete the last C node. It is done. So once I delete this, I have to establish link between B and D. So let us take the forward link. Temp of right should be equals to what? Last node. What is the last node address? 444. Forward link is done. Next reverse link. Last node of left is equals to temp. So reverse link is established. So after establishing the forward link and a reverse link, decrement the size. Why? Because we have removed one node from the chain. So this is how we can delete a node between two nodes. I hope you are clear. Thanks for watching.